everyone, we are here at Isanti County Fair. They have a car show here. So here's Mike Wapolov, and he's back to the 50s t-shirt. It's a nice day, beautiful day, so come up here in Isanti County Fair and enjoy the rides and the cars. '62 Chevy Bel Air. Wow, original miles 49,000 mileage gloves. That's for sale, by the way.
Same motor as what Papa's car has, and it's just that this one's newer, yeah.
Look at that one, gloves. Oh. Wanna see? Do you have a different engine, or that's gonna be the?
That's
or they just put a.
It's something that boosts the power of the engine by twice.
Oh.
It's called a blower. Blows air into the engine and makes it more explosive.